In the twinkling world of Meerue, high up in the sky, lived a friendly blue dragon named Meerue. His scales sparkled like stars. He was always curious about the world and loved making new friends. One sunny day, Meerue looked down from his fluffy cloud and saw a bright, colourful place called Australia. A tiny worry tickled his heart.
Will they like me?
But his excitement to meet new friends won out. With a flap of his big and powerful wings, he zoomed down like a shooting star. He landed softly and was greeted by amazing sights. A kangaroo bounced by with a giggling joey in its pouch, saying, "G'day!" Up in a eucalyptus tree, a sleepy koala welcomed him with a big hug. A chatty cockatoo shared funny stories that made Meerue laugh until his tummy ached. But the best part was meeting the people of Australia. He made friends from all around the world and those who'd lived there for thousands of years. They celebrated their differences and loved sharing their unique traditions and stories. As days turned into weeks, something magical happened. Meerue's blue scales began to shimmer with all the bright colours. It was as if all his new friends were drawn on Meerue's scales, reflecting the beauty of their faces, smiles and stories. Meerue realised that their friendship made him even more special. One evening, everyone gathered under the stars to celebrate their friendship. Meerue's shiny and colourful scales lit up the night, and they danced and laughed together like one big happy family. Meerue's heart overflowed with happiness. He soared through the sky. Meerue learned that even though we're different, we can be best friends. We all make the world a little more fun and colourful by being ourselves.